Let's discuss the steps needed to customize the default spanning tree implementation on a topology with multiple Meraki switches. We will begin by accessing our switches deployed in our dashboard network and locating the switch currently operating as the root bridge. I've got Meraki switches with 24 ports, Meraki switches with 8 ports, and we're going to select one of the 8 port switches. When I scroll down, we will see that this 8 port switch is acting as the root bridge for our spanning tree instance. Let's improve this spanning tree implementation by modifying our global spanning tree settings. We will browse to Switch, followed by Switch Settings. Here we can view the default spanning tree root bridge priority value applied to all our Meraki switches. The value of 32,768 is set on each Meraki switch, and the Meraki switches are fighting for root bridge status by using their individual MAC addresses. To improve this default spanning tree implementation, we will select the option to set the bridge priority for another switch or stack. Note the notification. Changing the spanning tree bridge priority may cause a short disruption on all switches in the network while the spanning tree is recalculated. This option is worth it, however, as this will provide us the ability to individually select each Meraki switch in our dashboard network and assign a specific bridge priority value. I will click OK. I will select my core switch of my network in my MDF, and I will set an appropriate priority, for example, 4096. I will then set the bridge priority for another switch or stack. I will select the second switch, and this switch would be likely to be root after my core switch. I can select any additional switch and apply a priority value, or I can leave them at the default 32,768, which I will do. We can verify the rapid spanning tree root bridge selection by navigating to our core Meraki switch. I will go to Switch, followed by Switches. I will then select my core switch, and when I scroll down, we will now see that this switch is the rapid spanning tree root. Let's browse to the 8 port switch previously operating as the root bridge. We will now see that the previous 8 port switch will recognize the MDF switch as the root bridge of the network with the priority value that we had set. The Meraki dashboard provides us the ability to customize our network-wide spanning tree implementation with just a few clicks. It is important that you plan your spanning tree implementation and review your root bridge selections in order to optimize your network.